Hello everyone, welcome to BC Asia 2020. I'm Aaron, the product manager for Sony RX Network Station. Today, I'd like to present Sony's most cost-effective and efficient wireless and live streaming solution, the PWS-110RX1A. The RX1A provides the following features. 1. Provide stable live streaming for Sony XDCAM camcorders with Sony PWS technology. 2. Enable remote file transfer of proxy or high-res files to designated FTP servers. 3. Support wide range of devices from palm, handy, shoulder, and even mobile phones for breaking news coverage without requiring additional transmitter. 4. Control and configure with popular Google Chrome browser. 5. Support registration up to 30 devices as sources and output them to 2 pairs of HD SDI output. 6. Optional licenses to enhance the RX station's experience by supporting 2-carrier connectivity for redundancy and bandwidth optimization. The RX stations connects to the following Sony XDCAM camcorders. For legacy models, Sony offers CBK-WA100 or /101 adapters. Since additional transmitter is not required, Sony XDCAM users save costs when using RX station solutions for their live streaming and wireless workflow. Besides supporting camcorders, RX stations also can connect through mobile devices with XDCAM Pocket application that is available on both Android or iOS platform. The RX station uses Sony unique QoS technology to perform error correction should packet loss over the network occur, thus providing more stable and robust network connectivity. RX station also support remote login through client PC, thus allowing flexible deployment of the RX station. This is especially important during current COVID-19 situation where the operator may have to work remotely from the RX station. Sony also offers optional license to enhance the user's experience. These are 1. Annual or monthly license for dual link support to connect up to 2 carriers to the RX station. 2. Annual or monthly license to support HEVC or H.265 and intercom on Z280 and Z190. 3. Annual or monthly license to support XDCAM Pocket for mobile devices such as Android or iOS platform. I'd like to introduce Sony XDCAM Pocket application that enable mobile devices to perform live streaming or file transfer to the RX station. XDCAM Pocket is available for download on either Google Play or Apple App Store. XDCAM Pocket features comprehensive yet simple user interface to enable journalists to capture breaking news when camcorders are not available on location. Whenever connection is not available, user can record the footage for later upload. We are going to share a live demo connecting Sony camcorders and XDCAM Pocket to our RX station. Unfortunately, I'm not able to record the actual demo. For more information, please visit pro.sony website and get in touch with us. We are more than happy to further furnish you with more information. Thank you for dropping in and have a good day.